Hey guys, so for our second cleaner, I'm super excited to bring you guys this cool, just easy to do multi-purpose cleaner. The ingredients are wonderful, so I guess I should reintroduce myself every show or but it's Natalie Pelto and I am the founder of Essential Modern Day Healers, and we are in the middle of doing our spring clean, and so I'm bringing you guys a recipe probably every other day, just to help to boost your toolkit and how to live a toxin-free lifestyle. And my goal is to educate as many people as I can, but also detoxify where I live, and get as many essential oils and detoxification practices in as many homes as possible here in Parry Sound. So one of these really cool tools that I like to use is the On Guard concentrate. Again, if you are interested in acquiring essential oils, the link will be below, so feel free to hop in there. But 2 tablespoons of this, and this is just water, guys, not Perrier. I haven't removed the label yet. I will do it after. It takes 2 seconds with lemon oil. So what I'm going to be doing now is using just 3 ingredients. So the ingredients are water, this beautiful Perrier bottle, which is a hack with a dollar store tip, the On Guard concentrate, 2 tablespoons, and then I'm going to be adding some essential oils. Now, there are some really great combinations that you can use. You can use any citrus oil. Citrus oils are extremely good to kind of get rid of gunk, and because we already have On Guard in it, it's an amazing, amazing essential oil for that. Now, if you're someone who's looking more for the smell and that pledge feel, if you want to do it specifically for that, Purify essential oil is like amazing, and it does smell like pledge, except for it's a natural version of it because it is just some wonderful citrus oils and citronellas in there. Very, very, very cleansing essential oils. But for today, I am going to be putting 2 tablespoons of this, and I'm actually going to measure it, which normally I wouldn't because I'm not very much so as a measurer. I am a kind of just do it, and I make messes when I measure stuff, so I'm sure my husband hates it. Okay, so there's 2. That is 1 cleaner right there. Just how easy that is. So this bottle carries around, oh, I don't even know. I think it's 10 to 12 cleaners in it. And it actually is just super amazing because it's so inexpensive. So I think it rounds up to be about being $1 something a cleaner. So yeah, and it's wonderful. It's highly, highly detoxifying, highly microbial. On Guard is one of the highest researched oils right now in the world. John Hopkins research facility is using it a lot. So it is super supportive to both our immunity, and it's safe for us to touch. And if our kiddos get it on their lips, it's not going to be the end of the world, guys. Not like the chemicals that we're putting on our floors right now or on our surfaces. So today, for different purpose, I'm actually going to use different essential oils. I'm curious to try these because I actually really enjoy the smell of lemongrass, and I'm really looking for a fresh, clean smell in my home. I find that over the winter, this winter has really affected, and I feel like everything is very stagnant. And I am really looking for some fresh, airy, breezy smells. So I'm using lemongrass today, which is not the norm. Normally, I would actually use something like more On Guard, tangerine, green mandarin, lemon essential oil, wild orange, Purify. Any of those would have been my go-to, but for today, because I wanted to try something different, I'm actually going to use that. But using spearmint as well is a really, really great oil. But I'm going to actually use lemongrass. It was 10 drops, and I'm going to use 5 drops of basil because basil is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful oil. Just to switch it up. Okay. Give it a quick shake. I would actually shake it every time before I used it, which I think is great. And if I actually spray it, it actually smells quite lovely. Ooh, I really like it. It's always fun when you try something new and you do really enjoy it. So very, very cleansing. That smells good. Okay, so there is our multi-purpose cleaner. So what did we use? 3 ingredients: On Guard concentrate, essential oils, and water. How cool is that?